Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ito sa Mindanao, yan. Ayan, may bike lane na tayo. Gilagyan na lang yung baryero. Ayan. Cordon na nilang yung bike lane para safety. Iba talagang Davao City. Ayan. Wala nang mga wire ng kuryente makita. At saka yung bike lane natin, mayroon nang naka-cordon. Ayan. Yung kulay orange. Kahit mahirap, basta masaya. Pray always before and after. Ayan, thank you once again. Ito po sa Mindanao. Paki-like, comment, and share man dyan. Paki-follow and subscribe my YouTube channel and April Manoy Mindanao. Pero always before and after. Ayan. May kasabihan tayo, kahit mahirap, basta masaya. Thank you once again. Tapos Mindanao. Good morning once again.